of my neck where we stop. All right, so somebody summarize the challenge.
No.
And actually, Monica and Bree, could I ask you to possibly relocate just so we have better, so I'm not competing, yeah. Okay, so who wants to summarize the challenge? Jess? It looks like you pointed to Jonathan, like you were volunteering him. Yeah.
We want to take a name and return the little rhyme songs and replaces the name with like the rhyme each line, like rhyme.
Cool. Do you guys know this song?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so who wants to tell me what your algorithm is? Oh, that's Rachel's feedback. Nobody needs to see that. Okay, so let's save this in source and Algonauts, and we'll call this rhyme song.js. Okay, so yeah, so who wants to volunteer their algorithm?
Well, I just got to the pseudocoding part, so I didn't get to
Tell us your pseudocode, Sabrina.
Well, it's very rough, but basically I said, if B or F or M, ignore it. And then I said, add both. It's like really like a first draft, whatever. Add bow and add B and say the name. And then add an F and
Okay, cool. No, starting out with pseudocode is really great to like get your thoughts in order.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. I got past pseudocoding, but I realized when I was done that my solution had a problem.
A fatal flaw.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix it right now.
Okay.
But, so what I'm trying to do right now is I have my name variable. For me, it says name is equal to string. Okay, so you rename. And then I'm trying to have a vowels array that I made.
Okay.
A-E-I-O-U. And I'm trying to iterate through the name string.
Okay.
And say that if the letter at that index is a vowel, to stop iterating.
Okay. Really though, all we need to know is whether the first letter is a vowel or not.
I thought, okay, then my answer was my first.
Okay.
I thought you had to you had to drop all the consonants.
All the so Brittany. Yeah. So if we say Brittany, would it be Brittany faux Fritney?
That's what I had in my first response.
Or
And then I realized that unless I'm overcomplicating it.
What do you guys think? Yeah, Josh?
Can you share your screen?
Oh yes, of course. Thank you. Yeah, so it'd be Brittany, Bo Bitney, Fanana Fana Fo Fitney, Me My Mo Mitney,
Yes.
Brittany.
But maybe the specs were vague.
Yeah, the specs were vague. They did not give you anything that started with two consonants, right? Because they give you Arnold and Billy. Yeah, but that's a good challenge. So okay, so here are things that we need to consider. There are three cases that we need to consider. So one is the name starts with one consonant, right? 2, name starts with vowel. And 3, name starts with more than one consonant. And so what you were saying, Brittany, is that you want to strip off all of the consonants from the beginning. Ooh, I kind of like it. All right, so
we can do the easy because the simple version is all.
Okay.
Let's do hard.
Let's do the hard version. You guys want to do the hard version? No, you want to do the simple version? You're indifferent? Got an opinion, Jazz? Okay. All right, let's do the hard version. So, okay. So let's say for I equals 0, I less than name dot length, I plus equals 1. I want to, if I is not in this, right? And how do we do that? I know how to do that in Python. Do we say if vowels, if
I think vowels
not vowels dot includes I, then we are going to strip that off. So I'm going to say name equals name dot splice I1. Let's look at the splice. Oh, okay. I actually kind of agree with ESLint here. I don't like reassigning parameters. So let's say let vowel start name equals name, and now we will do yeah, that's fine. That way I'm not actually modifying the parameter. The second, this one here, it actually doesn't matter. Because at this point they're the same. Well, it does. This one is getting shorter every time. So let's. I mean, what if we put in the name AI, right? Or no, not AI. If a name was only consonants, but that would just be messed up. But what about like BRYAN? All right, we can think about those cases in a minute. So, okay, but let's look at splice and also, I love you and hate you, ESLint. Okay, so let's just look at splice. So, and I know you can do it with arrays, and I'm guessing you can do it with strings, but let's just check. So let's go, so name equals Bonnie, name dot splice 1 or 0 0 0 1, starting at index 0, remove 1 letter. Yeah, crap. Okay, so we have to do an array. Or we can also, okay, so the other way I could do it is I could say name equals name dot slice 1, meaning start at index 1 and go to the end. So that'll work. Okay, so let's so and what number or what variable do I want to put in here? Right. What do I want to slice from? If at index I is not a vowel, what do I want to slice on? I plus 1. Okay. And then if it's a vowel, I don't need to bother going through the rest of the name. So I'm going to just get out of the for loop.
So the way I did it
Mm-hmm.
is the same. I just did vowels for each index
letter. If vowels that includes letter equals true, modified equals name that's like index. It's like the same thing for each.
But you're doing a for each on vowels?
Yeah.
How are you
Oh no, sorry. Never mind.
do you want to Mishi? Oh,
after
yeah.
I started to change it.
Okay. Mishi, do you have something to hold up? What's that? Oh, you have a solution. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, so let's finish with Brittany's solution and then we'll get to Mishi's. So, all right, so Brittany, so then what? Now that we've got our name with all the consonants at the beginning removed.
Then I just have a log. And then, so it's a lot of template literal, but it would be name, vowel start name.
Yeah. Bow.
Well, no, I had a different.
Oh, this was name.
Yeah, because I declared.
Got it.
It's unmodified.
Right, the unmodified. Okay. Name, bow.
Vowel start name.
But we have to put a B in front of it, right?
Yeah. And then banana, bow. Vowel start name. B5, no. And then just name.
Oh, and not here, name. Okay. All right, what do you guys think of this? Oh, screw you. Okay. Oh, right. No, but I'm Pythoning out. Okay. Say that one more time.
It won't be accurate if the name starts with a BF.
It will though, because we've already stripped the B or the F or the M off when we made our vowel start name.
But then it says in the instruction not to use the B or the F or the M in that line.
It says, like, so if it's Bonnie, what's it supposed to be? Bonnie, Bo, Ani?
That's what it says. It says Bo,
Oh man. Okay. Bo-ob. Why? Okay. All right. So how do we handle that? I'm actually gonna do some logic in here. I'm gonna say if name 0 is a B, then I want to do an empty string. Otherwise, I want to do a B. What do you think?
Yeah, I support it.
You support it? Okay, good. I've been supported by Brittany. Okay. All right. Now what? Now.
I think she just meant it.
Sounds good. All right. Why are you mad at me? Expected indentation of 4 spaces. Okay. Oh, because I'm still in the 4. Let's try again. Okay. Now what? Unexpected token. Okay, good. All right, so let's do it. This is more of a group effort. Okay, so this was called Rhyme Brittany. Well, it didn't do Bo-ani. It actually doesn't seem to be doing much of anything after our letter. But it did remove the B, so huzzah! Okay, so let's see what. So it looks like this is having problems here. This is just making vowel start name be nothing. All right, so let's look. We're going for I is 0. I is less than vowel start name length. I increment. If not vowels dot includes I, and let's
Like if vowels dot includes I lower does not equal true or equal.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I don't think that that's the problem, because not should say if this is not true,
Yeah.
right? Then vowel start name slice. Okay, so let's just do some console logging here. That's always a good way to debug. So I'm going to say removing yeah, but okay, I think our problem is that we keep changing the name. And so this is actually, we actually don't want a for loop. We want a while loop. Because we keep changing the name. And so it's like the indexes are sort of shifting from under our feet. And it's a problem. So let's actually do a while loop instead. So while vowel start name, let's see, while vowels dot include vowel start name 0 dot lower, no, is it 2 lower case, I think is that right? Does that seem right? Or is it just 2 lower? Okay. Okay, so while the first letter is not a vowel, we'll slice it. I like this better anyway because it is it's cleaner. Okay, what's your problem now? Okay. So I'm gonna say, so here, while vowels, get rid of the first letter. While the first letter is not a vowel, get rid of it. While the first letter is not a vowel, get rid of it. Once the first letter is a vowel, stop. See how this works for us. Vowels dot include is not a function. Let's do this even better. Let's make this, I'm gonna take the space away. And if the name doesn't start with a B, I'm gonna put a space and a B. Otherwise, I'm gonna put a dash, because that's what they wanted me to do. And I do whatever they want. Okay. All right, how about Brittany? I think that's right. It's
program.
what's that?
That is that. Yeah.
I mean, it started with a B, right?
Yeah. Cool.
Does anybody's name here start with a vowel? How about Allie? Oh, okay.
That's right though, right?
Well, except for this, right? They wanted to do Arnold. Yeah, so except for the capitalization. So anyway, that's relatively trivial. Okay.
I didn't know you could use logic in template.
Ah, nice, huh?
That's what I was getting stuck to.
Yeah. So this is pretty clean. This is a pretty clean solution. Does anybody have any suggested improvements?
It'd be cool to use a regular expression for the API.
Ah, you want to do a regular expression?
No, I mean, we don't gotta do it.
Yeah, no. I like it. Yeah, a regular expression would be good. So that I'll leave as an exercise to the user, but yeah. Celeste, of course you did. Okay, so yeah, did you use Cheerio?
I don't think mine is better.
Okay, Celeste, tell us about yours.
Well, so in the thing it says that the name and the exclamation point. So the first thing I did was we don't have to do that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, right, because like otherwise, okay, but whatever. You strip the exclamation point off and then, yeah, okay.
And then I had a name. I didn't account for the like multiple consonants at all.
Okay. Okay.
And so I just had const like name without first. And that's name dot substring 1.
Like that? Okay.
And then I had an array of all the vowels plus the F and M.
Oh, okay. What'd you call that?
I called it exception. And I included Y because I think the Y is at the beginning of the name. It's generally a Y.
I don't know. So Yanni, yo.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking like
Yvonne.
yeah, or like Isabel, or like I guess the examples that I came up with were Y names that had a consonant after them, but that's I have to think more about that.
Yeah, you'd have to check if it was a Y. You'd have to check and see whether the next one was a consonant or not to see whether or not to treat it as a vowel. Man, this name game is complicated stuff.
And then I said if well I used every, but I think includes, and if exceptions includes name 0 to lowercase. Return, and then I typed out the whole string literal.
Okay.
And then else, and then I did a switch statement for the other case.
Oh.
With name 0 to lowercase else.
Oh, and do we put that in parentheses? I never remember.
Although I didn't update this.
Okay.
And then I did case B at the end, and I just in each of those return the string with like formatting, without the B, without the F.
Uh-huh.
And then by default case is for all the vowels. So I basically did the same thing, but then.
So would it make sense to grab like?
Okay, cool. Just my suggestions without me typing all of this out. First of all, you probably did, well, I mean, you were writing, so you probably didn't even bother writing this out. Yeah. So, but I would recommend defining this at the top and then doing string formatting. You know, we've talked about those percent things so that you just have the one thing and you're replacing, right? And then the percent thing. So string formatting. So if I do string to format equals hello percent s, and then I say string to format percent Sabrine, what it's doing is it's taking this Sabrine and it's going to replace the percent s with the Sabrine. You can look a little bit more at string formatting, and well, that's just not what I wanted. Oh, maybe it's dot format. No, wait, hold on. Python does it slightly differently, and so let's see. String interpolation JavaScript. Okay. Not template literals. Okay, string. This is not what I want. We'll do the next one. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so you can do that. You can do dot format. Is that right? Oh, dot format is so much nicer. Nope. Dot format is not a JavaScript thing. Wait, so why are you?
It had to be in quotes.
Well, let's print it. No, we found something. So let's see. String. Yeah, I found something quickly when I was here before, and it used the percent. And in general, this is how you use the percent: is you put it in your string, and then you replace it later using this percent. So let's just look. I'll try a little bit more. Percent notation, JavaScript string. No. JavaScript string replacement. Oh, no. All right.
Wouldn't be under template literal.
No, because this is different from a template literal. Okay, so there's a couple things. But I want to get this as print f. Hold on, let's look at this. But I don't. Yeah, this I think might have been. No, this is where I was today. Yeah, you shouldn't need sprintf.js though. Replace variable. Let's just see what we get here. No. Yeah. So So in general, I don't want to spend too much more time like looking it up here, but in general, this is what you do. You give it a string to format and you give it a %s, and then you replace that %s with an actual string. And I'm not sure why it's giving me not a number here. I think because it thinks I'm doing like mod, but that is not what I'm actually doing. Yeah, Jonathan.
On that example you had, they put the curly braces in quotes. They put it in double quotes.
Oh, here?
Yeah, they surrounded the name brackets with double quotes when they were doing something.
I don't think that should matter, but I can try it. Like this? Yeah. It doesn't like format. Like if I give it a string, it doesn't have a format option. So yeah, let me so I'll give it one more try. MDN string string, let's see, get expression interpolation. Nope. This is what we were doing before, where you're giving it like logic inside. Okay, so it looks like you can do like, so you can like make your own tagged template literals, but the fact that you have to write your own code for it is pretty sad.
I found something that says simple string dot format in JavaScript. It says string dot bulletlike dot format.
Yeah, so it's you're actually defining the dot format yourself. That's what yeah, so it's like it's actually defining format as opposed to having it be something that's built in. So wait, MDN string, I'm just like missing the right word. I think that's just going to take me back to the template literals.
Monaco's saying, if you're looking for string formatting, like in Java or like in Python.
Yeah, like the %. And I know I saw it. I swear.
For what it's worth, I haven't been able to, like, you can write it yourself, but I haven't seen anything.
You were here. You saw me use it, right? Like a week or two ago?
It's a package.
It wasn't a package.
I believe that you did it. I haven't run into it. I didn't want you to.
Thank you. Thanks. Okay. All right. If I do one thing today, it is going to be to remember how that was done. Anyway, so for those of you watching this Algonauts at home, sorry for the rabbit hole for the last 10 minutes. I am going to, let's see, was there anything else that I was going to say about Celeste's? Yeah, I would just want you to like not reuse that a lot. Yeah, exactly. I'd just retype everything. But I have some ideas on that, but I'm gonna deal with that later. And for now, I'm just gonna stop this and start the